Hey everyone, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys. As you guys can see, I already have my wig cap on. So I did the ball cap method and then I put a wig cap on top of the ball cap so the back can be secure, because with the ball cap you have to cut the wig cap. And the hair that I'm rocking in today's video, it's from Wowafrican Hair. I have rocked their hair in plenty of my videos. I love the fact that their wigs are pre-plucked, pre-bleach, and ready to wear wigs. So this is what the packaging looks like on the inside. You have this satin bag, and we're gonna get to this satin bag afterwards, but let's see what we have here. And I have 2 alligator clips, which is a must to keep the hair out of my face when I'm gonna be installing it. And I also have HD wig cap as well. These are perfect if you wanna do the ball cap method or if you're wearing a HD wig. HD wig cap is a must for HD lace wig. And I absolutely love these combs, the rat tail comb, and this one I like it because it's so much easier to part the hair, and this is also perfect for glue application on this side as well as for melting down the lace as well. And of course we have a edge brush as well. So let's get into the satin bag. Okay, so this is the packaging that the wig comes in, and the item number for the wig and the color and the length. The length is 22 inches and it is a HD lace wig. And this is pretty much how it's looking straight out of the box. I absolutely love the color. I love the fact that it is pre-curled as well, but I am gonna go in and style it a bit more as well. This is a 360 lace wig, so it goes all the way around. You're able to put this in a updo if you wanted to put it in an updo as well. So it also has the invisible strap right here. So it's on this side and it's also on this side as well. So when you put the wig on, you're able to adjust the strap to your liking, and you're able to wear this wig in a updo. So you can either have it glued down or not glued down. Also have a white tooth comb in the back, not a white tooth comb. So this comb is a bit wider than the other combs, and you also have the combs on the side as well. Now personally, I don't really love the combs on the side or on the top, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and remove that. And you also have an adjustment strap right here, which comes in very handy as well. This is a must for me because I like to adjust my wigs to my liking, and I'm used to their wigs, so I know how well they fit already. We're gonna take a look at the lace, and as you can see, the lace is amazing. This is HD lace. Like, are you seeing that on my skin? Amazing. And the hairline is pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleach hairline. So we're gonna go in and just try this wig on now. Now, as you can see, we have this excess lace on the back, and I don't need all of this lace. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna cut this lace away. And when you're cutting this, you wanna be very, very careful because there's an invisible strap right here. So you wanna make sure you do not cut that, because if you cut it, it is a wrap, and we don't want that. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this wig on my head just so you guys can see how it is looking straight out of the box. Okay, I know she's sitting a little high right now, but don't worry, trust the process. I literally have a full beat on, knowing that I'm gonna be gluing this wig down today. So I'm gonna have to actually remove some of my makeup. Okay, she's looking really good. I was kind of worried about that second wig cap because I didn't want the line to be shown, but yeah, it's actually pretty good. Okay, so this is how the wig is looking straight out of the box. I know she's not sitting that great on my head, so I'm gonna have to adjust it a little bit more. This is a lot. I'm just kidding. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove that makeup off my forehead area. See, this was like pointless to do my makeup. I'm gonna have to kind of touch up the forehead area a bit, but not a whole lot because my lace literally goes here. I should have secured that ball cap a little bit better. It's a good thing this is not a ball cap video because it's not the greatest. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the wig on my head. As for the adjustment straps, I'm not going to adjust this just yet. I'm gonna glue the wig down first before I do the adjustments. So I'm just gonna pop this on my head first. So that is nice and secure in there. And she's looking a little crazy, but don't worry. Okay, so this is how the wig is looking. The hairline looks really good. However, I do prefer a bit of a widow's peak. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some changes to the hairline. Where is my comb? So I'm just gonna leave the part alone, and I'm just gonna go right here at the side and just kind of pull out some of the sides. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take that out. I'm just gonna remove some of that as well. Hopefully I don't do too much on this side. Now, when I apply my wig with glue, what I like to do is I like to go ahead and cut the lace. You don't have to cut the lace if you don't want to cut the lace, but I'm going to be cutting the lace first. So I'm going to make this beginner friendly. So you could either just put the glue on all the way across and then just wait till it dries clear and then put that lace down. But what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to cut the lace in sections because I personally just love doing it that way. And so I'm just going to do 2 cuts like this and just apply it in sections. So this is how we're gonna have it, and I'm gonna glue this part down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lift this back. And by the way, with this wig can also be worn as a glueless wig as well because it is a 360 wig. You don't have to use glue on it. So as you can see, I have the glue on my forehead. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use this comb like so and just spread that out like butter.
Guess what? Very good. Let me hold this, and this is for you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, girl.
Yeah.
This one's fake.
Do you like the rainbow?
I love it. It's so gorgeous.
Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this down like so. Now, just to save myself a bit of time, I already glued this side down off camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this side now. My husband just left and our dog is like obsessed with him. So he's barking. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spread that glue like butter. You wanna wait until the glue dries clear before you pull the lace on it. So give it some time. As you can see, I didn't put any glue right here as yet. And same thing on this side. I haven't glued this part down yet, but I would just wanna cut the lace first before I glue this part down. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to clip this hair out of the way. And I will be doing the double melt method. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down like so. So I'm gonna leave this on for a little, like probably 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut away that lace. Ooh, she's not going anywhere. She is not going anywhere. Okay, so now I'm gonna just go ahead and cut the lace. And as you can see, I'm cutting it kind of jagged, not really going straight across.
I'm gonna go in with the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray, and I'm just gonna add this to the lace just to melt it down into my skin after I'm done cutting off all the excess lace.
Okay, so the melting band is off and she is looking nice and melted. I'm just gonna flatten it down just a bit more, and I really love that the curls have fallen. I'm not gonna curl it up too much. I'm gonna fix the curls in the front though with my Dyson Airwrap. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the invisible straps and I'm going to pull on them. So I'm just gonna do it individually. So I'll just do this side first. And then there's this knob right here, and I'm gonna push this knob to secure it in place. And I'm just gonna put this under. Okay, so it is nicely secured in the back. So that's how the back should be looking. So I'm gonna do a quick little, very simple updo. What I like about this hair, it's not like super thick, which is a good thing when you're doing like a updo with a wig, because if it's like too thick, then it just looks really bulky.
All right, so I'm gonna just put the hair in a quick little ponytail, and this is how she is looking. This is how it's looking in the back, nice and clean. And then I'm gonna actually pin it up, do a quick little updo. I know it's not super perfect, but I just want you guys to get an idea of how it's looking in the back. As you can see, it looks nice and clean as well, and there's no glue in the back as well. So I'm gonna go in with my Dyson Airwrap and just curl it. This hair is super easy to curl, and this is pretty much the finished product of how the curls is looking. I like my curls loose, not too tight, and I absolutely love this wig. There's no glue in the back as well. So I'm gonna go in with my Dyson Airwrap and just curl it. This hair is super easy to curl, and this is pretty much the finished product of how the curls is looking. I like my curls loose, not too tight, and I absolutely love this wig.
Now this is pretty much the completed look. I absolutely love this wig. I just love this color, and the hair feels amazing, and it's super easy and beginner friendly. I really did not need to do a lot to it. I didn't really curl it up a whole lot because I actually like the curls that was in the wig. I curled the front, and I just love this color, and I think the lace looks absolutely flawless as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys learned something, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.